I'm Lisa from Lyme Bay Press, and I'm here to introduce you to a series of videos that we're aiming to get together for you to take you through the letterpress printing process with polymers, and also how to use our inks to mix inks and putting a base in your chase for your press, maybe for the first time. As well as being printers, we're also designers and have a lot of years, well over 25 years of letterpress printing experience under our belts. Why are we doing this? So basically we speak to people day in, day out, phone calls, emails, about their print projects, the problems that they could be having, whether it's with polymers, hand setting type, inks, how to mix inks. Lots of questions from different people on completely different projects, but they all seem to focus around a small amount of subjects. So we thought it'd be a good idea to put this information together for you so you have somewhere that you can go back to and refer to. Because ultimately, printing is an individual thing, and I've been printing for a very long time. We have a collection of Heidelbergs, Farley proofing presses, Chandlers, Adanas. So we have quite a collection of presses that we can show you how to solve some of those problems. This series of videos that we're aiming to produce cover topics from your ideas and creating your artwork. How do you present your artwork to us so that we can make a good plate for you? We also look at taking that artwork and making a plate from it so that you can actually see how fine your lines can go. And even then on to setting it up on the press and producing a piece of work that you're happy with. We know that everybody that comes to us all have different levels of experience. You may have been printing for years and years and years and not use polymers and just need a help to get you started. You might be new to printing, can't wait to get your hands dirty. And polymers are one of the most cost-effective ways of doing this. We're hoping by putting all these videos together, we can give you a library, a resource that you can just keep popping back to, maybe just look at a quick 5-minute episode of something that can help you get over a stumbling block. Eventually we'll move on to something more advanced. I've got to decide what that is yet. Throughout this series of videos, we would like and we entertain as much feedback and ideas from you as possible. It will help us fill the gaps. There may be something that you need help with that we haven't thought of, even down to exhibitions and ways of gooses, and you've never done a show for the first time. We welcome anything about printing that you need help with. You might not need help. You might just want to tell us about some wonderful thing that you're going to be part of, and we'd like to know about it. Please feel free to subscribe to this little link thing that's going to appear somewhere on the screen below me. That way, when we put up a new video or anything of interest, you'll be one of the first to know. If you need anything to get you going in the meantime, before we get a chance to get these videos out there, drop me an email, give us a call, have a look at the website. The website's going to be updated very shortly as well, with lots of information and downloads so you can get help and fact sheets and anything that could help. We're also available on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram. Apparently all of the details for all of this will be in the description below the videos. So just go and take a look. If we have any updates, whether it's for products that we're putting out there or for exhibitions that are coming up, we always go to Instagram and to Facebook and occasionally Twitter. Please feel free to go and have a look and follow us. Thank you.